Alrighty, people of the outer shell of the fridge. Yes, I'm starting that. Deal with it. So I have invited a friend with permission. Um, her name is
Friend.
actually
I'm friend.
okay. So her name is undisclosed, private. She is a part of the fridge gang.
I'm orange juice.
Yep, she's expired orange juice by a year.
Yep.
And this is probably gonna be like sometimes a thing. And she's forcing me to play Roblox with her, so that's what we're gonna do. Let me
Yep.
open my Opera GX and we'll get started. First I gotta also don't make fun of my username, okay? And the fact that I'm even playing this game. Because I'm, like I said, I'm being forced.
I would never force him to do anything.
Yes, she has
Never.
many times.
Never, ever.
She has many times. Alright, let's see. Let's play, what's a
Escape to
game
a
I
Jesse
can play?
Wakanda new.
No.
Yes.
No.
It would be funny.
It would not be at all.
It would be funny.
No, it wouldn't. It would not be funny. What is? I need something that we can play in VR.
Murder Mystery 2.
No, I'm not playing that game.
Oh.
That game is disgusting.
Scary Simon Says.
No. Let's see.
Simon Says die.
What
Bobby
is?
Dreamhouse Tycoon.
No. Stop saying. Stop speaking in altogether, please.
Oh.
Here, we'll do something simple for you. You simpleton orange juice. We're gonna play a game called Noodle VR.
Oh no.
Open Roblox game client. Okay. And I've tested this out. I know this works for a fact because I actually did this yesterday with a friend of mine. We'll call him let's see. Oh.
Eggs.
Forgot this is what he's expired eggs. I forgot this is what this is like. How do I go up? How do I? Oh.
Don't you need like VR to do VR things?
You don't need VR because you're right there. Come here.
Oh.
Where's the nearest cliff edge? Oh wait.
What?
Wee. Oh, I can't fly anymore? That sucks. Oh, I can't.
Okay, but hear me out. What if I was a human that got food poisoning from drinking the expired milk and orange juice and eggs?
Your orange juice. We've already decided that.
Okay.
Where'd you go?
No VR hardwired. Can I? Play without VR. Oh, okay. Where are you?
Hola.
Oh no.
I'm in the floor.
I see that.
Give me your scalp. Give me your scalp. I'm gonna tear you in two.
No. I can't move.
That's the thing. There's a reason why. Where am I going?
Leave me be.
I'm gonna dunk you.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna dunk you. Hold on. Let me rotate you. Why is my joystick is funky? Where's your scalp? I'm gonna rotate. Bruh. I can't rotate this woman. Where is? Come with. Oh my god! You just shattered into a million pieces.
That's the point.
You respawned, didn't you? You coward. Here, I'm gonna go to the legacy map. Teleport to the legacy map.
There's different maps?
Yeah. For me, it said press X to open the map. Sorry.
Cheese.
Huh? Where'd you find
Found
cheese?
on the floor. Noodle
Table.
gun.
Table. Table. Give me the table. Give me the table. 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 I can't pick up the table. I'm sad. I can't pick up table.
You're never gonna find me.
Bruh. Why am I floating? Why do I have legs? I don't like that I have legs. Where are you at? Oh. Are you in the legacy map?
Yeah. You're not gonna find me.
Oh, shoot. DVD. Are you upstairs, woman? Boom! Oh. My hands are stuck. I can't. I'm stuck in there. Where are you? I'm going through the window. Oh, I can't go through the window.
I'm in like the simplest spot ever. How
Brother.
have you not found
Your players can no longer fly through walls. Why? That's stupid. This game's dumb. I found paper. I found a piece of paper. Is there a lore to this?
I'll give you a hint. I'm outside.
I'm going to strangle. No, I can't say that.
What?
Nothing. Where are you
That
at?
is so mean of you.
Be quiet, woman. Heathen, hush. I feel
How
like I'm
dare
gonna
you
get-
call me a heathen?
Okay, we're gonna actually switch games because I'm actually getting motion sick from this. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god. That's terrible.
Okay,
Ugh. Ooh, wait, I'm pretty sure this is a VR game. The 3008. This game's actually dope. This game's actually cool. The what's it called? But no, in all seriousness, I felt like I was gonna throw up. I probably shouldn't have ate, and then immediately gone to Roblox VR. I will admit that is partially my fault. See, we are 8 minutes into our recording. Oh, it actually works. Okay, cool. Yo. So I blink. What would I need to blink for? Give me hot dog. That's whistle. That's not what I wanted to do. Give me cheeseburger. Or that's not a cheeseburger. That's a hot dog. What the? That's not what I'm meaning to do. I need to store. Oh wait, does whistling like give you like? How do I? Did she just leave? Did the woman just leave the call? No, she wouldn't have. She wouldn't have. Because she's in the game. But I can't check. Wait a second. She did leave the call. Why'd she leave the... Or her phone must have died. Yep. Welp. Orange juice is no longer with us, gentlemen. Or not gentlemen, sorry. People of the outer realm. Orange juice got poured down the sink, sadly. So I guess without her, Oh, my eyeballs. But without her, I can live freely. Finally. Okay. So orange juice is gone. So, well, now that I'm already in VR, what do I do now? What do I do now? Because, well, let's see, we could play Blade and Sorcery. We could play that. We could play The Forest. We could play Boneworks. Or, and we have 18% left, and it's 701 for me currently. So, what we could do is, and here, I will, okay. So what I will do is I will close this out. Yep, there's the recording. So, now, we have many options We could play Blade and Sorcery, SCP Lab Rat. We could play Boneworks, The Forest, or, and you guys can't see this because it's not Steam games, but we can play, oh, Orange Juice is back. She unpoured herself from the sink, apparently.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I was going to, and here, I'll even let you watch. I was going to play a different game. Here, I'll even share my screen, but you might not get audio. So, and obviously you can't see this, but, I'm thinking of maybe playing SCP Lab Rat or Boneworks or Blade and Sorcery. Mm-hmm. So, to decide this, we're going to do a good old-fashioned roll of the dice. And it's going to be a D20. So,
oh,
let me open up
one of those big
mouse
fancy dice, isn't it?
Dice 20. I wasn't even searching it. Dice 20. And, well, hold on now, because I didn't get it here. So, if it is in between a 5 and a 0, I'm going to play SCP Lab Rat. If it is in between a 10 or 15, I'm going to play, or no, if it's in between 6 and 12, I'm going to play Blade and Sorcery. If it's anything above 12, I'm going to play Boneworks. So that's the deal. So let's see. 12. I said 12 was Blade and Sorcery, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. Then Blade and Sorcery it is. So I can actually close this out. Minimize Discord. Go back into, or I don't need to go back into SteamVR. Not appear to support your current headset. What do you mean it does not appear to support my current headset? It supports my current headset. Also, I don't know what this is. I don't know why this is on my Steam library. But this is the game I'm playing. This right here.
Okay. Yep, I see it.
Okay. Oh, and I'm in. Can you see me moving my Can we see that?
Yep.
Okay. And I have gotten mods on this, as it says right there. So it's gonna take a little. Yeah, you can see all the mods I have.
Oh my.
For this, and it does lag the game out quite a bit, as you just saw. It froze right there. Then
why get all the mods?
Because they're fun mods, dude. It's not my fault. I like the mods. Okay. So yeah, this was my brother's save. This is me. This is my save. Right here.
Okay.
And I'm actually gonna change out of that armor and go into my armor that I usually wear.
Mm-hmm.
That's Fallout armor right there. That's the Exo 1 power armor, which I'm not gonna geek out about because I don't even know much about that myself. And the game froze for a second.
Yeah, I noticed.
Hmm.
Maybe because, you know, you have all the mods.
It's fine. At least I can actually play the game. Oh yeah. So these are all the spells I have. You know what this one is? It's a black hole.
Oh.
And then when it gets big enough, it explodes.
So how big does it get?
About that size, or a bit more, before it explodes. Yeah, that lags the game out quite a bit when you're standing too close to it. Okay, it's starting to lag the game out a lot. This may have been a mistake. Oh my god. When does it go kaboom?
Never. It eats the entire game.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Don't say that. Don't say that. Because then when you say it, it's going to come true. Stop. Please. Please.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. I won't do it again, I swear.
All your progress.
No, my progress is going to be fine. We'll just have to restart the game, probably.
Oh. Don't say that, then it's going to come true.
Well, explode already! Oh, there we go. It's combusting.
Right.
It's shrinking down and then it's gonna go. Right. And it shouldn't be laggy anymore. Yep, there we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I think the explosion actually backed it out more.
It's worse.
See, this is what happens when you decide to make
fun. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It all worked out at the end. Where are you? Alright then. Let's see. Should I wear... Should I wear this one? No, because then I don't get the gloves. I want the gloves, so I gotta go all the way down to this one.
Yeah.
Wait, which one do you think is better? The red one? Or this, or the red one, or the yellow one?
I like the yellow one.
You like this one better?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try out the red one since that's what I have equipped right now.
Of course you would.
Yeah. Orange juice doesn't really give that much respect for a reason, because she's orange juice, and I'm milk, so I'm better. I'm better than her, and it's not because she's a woman. To anyone who says that it's a woman, that it's because she's a woman, I am not sexist. All right, I want to make that very clear. This is a family-friendly channel, in word terms, and also action terms for the most part. But I want to make this very clear. That I do not, I may joke around and be like, but I want to make it very clear, it is not because she's a woman.
Okay, but do you not want to talk about what happened at school?
Really, no. This is my channel. This is my channel.
Okay.
Now I'm making it seem like I'm a bad person. Alright.
No.
You want to do canyons or ruins? Or wait, there's... Oh, no, there isn't.
Evaded?
Yeah. Okay, do we want to do canyon or ruins? Or with the arena?
Ruins.
Ruins.
Actually, outposts.
Outpost? Alrighty.
I wanted to do something that wasn't what you offered.
And that's fair. You can tweak your physics for sword handling in the options menu, but too much tweaking may lead to strange results. Whoa!
So, what's the point of this game?
Just honestly, they haven't really made a story mode. It's kind of still in like beta access, so it's just the sandbox. The Outpost is kind of like the only story-ish mode they have. So it's basically just kill people in medieval styles, except I have a Doomslayer skin. And of course, I have a frying pan. And the game crashed. The game crashed.
I wonder why.
Okay, so obviously we're
Fortnite as your background.
What? No, that's Dying Light 2. It's not Fortnite.
I
Don't
knew
ever
that.
Don't ever say that about one of my favorite games.
Fortnite,
Don't you?
obviously.
I will. Oh, I can't say what I want to say because
Fortnite is your favorite game.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yes,
Orange juice. Orange juice. I'm gonna pour you. I'm gonna pour you down the garbage disposal.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna dip cookies in you.
You're gonna make poison?
Yes.
You're gonna make me deadly? What is up with his scalp? Oh yeah, that looks cool. That's cool.
Wait, is that what you look like?
Yeah, that's me. What?
Your teeth are red.
Really? Really now? Oh god, it's lagging again. Oh no. Oh jeez.
I'll be right back.
Stop. Orange juice. No, don't leave the fridge. She left the fridge.
No, okay, so someone wanted a glass of orange juice because I'm better, okay?
You're not better. Orange juice isn't better than milk. How dare you say orange juice is better than milk? Oh my god, the game is going haywire. The game is going absolutely cuckoo crazy. Do I have the right one on? Yeah, I do. I forgot I had this. Alright, so Outpost. Why am I... Oh yeah, that's right. Up and away, I guess. Whee! How do I go down? How do I go down? Oh. There you go. Okay. It's probably crashed because I have the length at 3. So I'm gonna keep it at 2. And hopefully it doesn't crash. We're at 94% already. Come on. Just orange juice. Are you still there?
I'm back.
Why did you leave the fridge?
I told you someone wanted a nice tall glass of orange.
You're expired!
Well, they didn't know that.
You forced them, didn't you? Oh!
No, I would never
Oh, wait, this is different. Wait, this isn't, I don't remember it being like this. But anyways, sandbox, infinite invincibility, mana, focus, and view, free climb, fall damage disabled, and slow down time 45%. Alright, so basically what oh my headset's about to die. But that's fine, I can make it through this. Alright, I'm getting my iron pan out. Set that.
Did you hear that expired eggs was having a party?
When?
Yep, second shelf.
Second shelf? Are you being like serious? Or is this a...
No.
Okay. I wasn't sure. Whoa, what the hell? What the?
I think you're a little bit gullible.
Why is it a magic sword? Hey.
Looks like they dumped expired milk on it. Oh, that's what expired milk does?
Yup.
Oh, wow. Oh, sneak up behind him? Dang, I didn't know you were like that.
Hold up. You! Back, heathen!
What the? Okay, I'm confused. How did you... How did they not fall off the cliff?
No! Bruh. Oh, how did they not fall off the cliff? Because of gravity manipulation. Laser beam! I'm having too much fun with this.
We know.
Oh, and I'm fast now. Oh.
Wow, you missed.
Shut your mouth.
You didn't miss.
No, come back. My milk Excalibur. And yes, that's what I'm calling this from now on. I want to do like a... I want to do something real quick. Is anyone in here who wants to face my wrath?
Nobody.
Hey.
They've all given them timbers.
Watch your head. Stupid.
Oh. Oh. She was sticking out her tongue for the picture. Or not. Oh.
Like I said, family friendly. Don't worry about it. Huzzah! Oh no!
Oh great, you're suffocating.
No, I'm not. I'm doing something worse.
How is that worse? You're just...
You were saying?
I see how it's worse.
Hey buddy, you look parched. Need a drink?
No.
Where are you going?
If anything, they want a nice glass of orange juice.
Oh.
Oh. No, oh no. Explain to me how this is family friendly.
Don't ask. It's Blaine and Sorcery, okay? You can't blame me. Blame the game. It lets me do this stuff.
You're playing the game. Oh, back for round 2. Oh. This is violent. Reminds me of the good old days. Oh. Exiting VR.
I gotta go. have to go to this switch device. Okay. So now I gotta switch. Okay. I'm back now.
Interesting.
Listen.
Oh, that's echoey.
Is it? Am I echoing?
No, it was.
Oh, okay. Well, that's like 30 minutes of footage. So I think I'm gonna call it quits for now, for today. So, to
Yep,
everybody outside the fridge, this was me and Orange Juice.
Special guest appearance, Orange Juice. Live on the
Yep.
second shelf.
Yep, I'm on the bottom.
Yeah, because nobody bends down to the bottom shelf just to get
I gotta keep
milk.
it secret for a reason. Do you not think that they're gonna notice a massive computer in a fridge? Like, come on. I had to embed this computer in the wall.
My fridge shelf has a secret compartment, you know?
Yeah. I wonder why. It's where you keep all
To
your
hide the computer.
It's where you keep all your orange makeup. So you actually look fresh. Just put a bunch of food coloring in you. It's not healthy or good.
Yeah,
You're still the
but,
same
you know,
expired orange juice.
if I don't do it, then I will have to move to the bottom shelf where I don't get thrown in the trash. And the bottom shelf is dark, so that's why I do it.
Sure. Well,
now explain if I go down there.
Can I do the outro? Please. Well, Gleeples and Glorps, sorry. People outside the fridge, in the outer realm.
Like
this has been Orange Juice, our guest. She will be returning to her respective shelf while I stay down here in the lower shelf, sadly. So, say your farewells, Orange Juice.
This won't be the last time you'll see me.
Alright. Bye.